Back on the dyno, baby. This is exciting times. Exciting times. This reminds me of when the TF, the first Super Lab one, that went really, really badly. I'm hoping nothing will go wrong this time. I might have done a really dumb thing. I forgot to put license plate on the car and drove it half an hour from TF to the dyno on the road without license plates. Yeah, I'm not doing that again. That was dumb. Completely forgot. Exciting times though, really exciting times. The pulley has been downsized. That one from 3.8 inches to 3 inches. New throttle body to hopefully fix our engine code problems. PLM header, gritty 3-inch exhaust. It's pretty neat. It's a neat setup. So I'm very excited to see just how much power it can make. I mean, fingers crossed, this old baby, which has 115,000 miles on it, can make maybe 440, 450. I mean, if we can do that, that'll be like, I'll be smiling ear to ear. But more importantly, the reason why I want to up the boost isn't peak power. I need more mid-range, you know, right around 5 or 6. With the old setup, we maybe be making like 3 or 4 pounds of boost. Now we can be up for maybe like 8 or 9, you know, where I really needed to be. All right, here we go. Mikey's about to go for it. Last pull we made we're so off the top 275 horsepower easy. We're a bit stuck at 377. The curve is looking really nice. Look at that. Look at the way it comes up. It's linear as hell. What's happening here is possibly boost leak, possibly belt slip. This is, Mikey said, well, up top there is about 7,000 only. It was a new belt, so I think we're just broken in and we should tighten the tension a little more. Other than that, he did say 400, 410 is a pretty easy target, maybe even 420 and so on. So yeah, we'll see what we can get out of it. AFR is looking nice, you know, in the rich side, just because I don't want it to blow up. Oh shit, you fixed it. Oh my, Mikey gave me the thumbs up, so I guess that's good. You fixed it. That's almost 457. Yeah, leaned out a little bit by the end. But that's right around 12. I guess it's okay. So we're good to go?